Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We are officially on day 19 of my 25 Days of Christmas Gifts for Him series. I cannot believe we only have 6 days left. That's 6 days, 6 videos, 6 brands to highlight, all for you guys for this holiday. But if this is your first time checking out this channel, welcome and happy holidays. Make sure you guys are giving this video a thumbs up. Make sure you're pressing that subscribe button down there and make sure you hit that bell so that you get all of my notifications when I upload a new video. You guys don't want to miss anything that I'm doing. These 25 Days of Christmas videos have been such a highlight this season. And I don't want you all missing anything, especially now that we're getting so close to the holiday. You don't have much time to get all of these items. I am really excited about today's item because it's part of my favorite franchise. If you know me, you know I am a huge Batman fan. And so anytime that I can get my hands on something in their world or to do with the Batman universe, I will always get it. Which is why today I'm going to show you 2 things. It's the official Nightwing jacket from Batman. Guys, this is from Hot Topic and by far one of my favorite faux leather jackets. This is an official Batman jacket. Guys, this is for the guys in your life who are cosplayers, who just love Batman, or who just want a dope looking jacket. This is a great biker jacket. If you don't know who Nightwing is, you can still rock this jacket and it has a great sleek look to it. It's made of polyester and spandex, which makes it so breathable, easy to put on. I like that it's a full zip up, and if you've ever seen Nightwing, you know how dope this jacket is. If your guy rides a motorcycle, this is a dope jacket to have them wearing. The idea behind it is to literally look like Dick Grayson's jacket when he's not playing Nightwing. It's his way of showing that he's Nightwing without him being Nightwing. When I wear this jacket, I swear I feel so cool. I've worn it for my cosplay, and I've worn it just because. You guys will see me in this jacket all the time when I'm matching that blue with that black. I love this. Like I said, it's really just a nod to those who will get it when I wear it and they realize that it's a Batman jacket. But for those who don't, I get so many compliments just off the fact that it's a dope jacket. I think this would be a great look on anyone. Mine is a medium, and I will say it does fit true to size. Alright, so I put my jacket on over my hoodie, and I gotta tell you, it still fits great. This is what I like my jackets to fit like. It's a tight fit, it's a biker jacket, so it's meant to be a tighter fitted jacket. It really does look like Dick Grayson's jacket, which is what I really like about it. And this came from Hot Topic, which is officially licensed by DC to make these items and to have these items, so it makes more sense that they do fit well and that they do look very true to the resources that it came from. So I am all about this one. It has an expandable arm so that if you do have a wider arm, and if you're a person like me who enjoys to roll up their sleeves, it allows for that without it feeling like a normal leather jacket that doesn't have that give at the bottom of it. My next thing is, if you are going to have this dope jacket, you might as well also get them the official Batman Batarang mail opener. Guys, this is again a licensed DC Studios Warner Brothers official Batarang letter opener. Obviously I don't use this for my letters, I just love having official sterling silver Batarang around. Look at this. This is actually really dope. It's an official Batman one. It comes right from Warner Brothers. Now I will say this one is around $79.99 for this, but it is a cool buy. This is all for your Batman fans out here. Who wouldn't want an official Batarang? Who wouldn't want a Dick Grayson Nightwing jacket? I just think this allows you to live in a moment of disbelief and putting you in a place that you actually can feel like you're Batman or Nightwing. These are great gifts. They're simple gifts, and they're something that would be great for him under the tree. Believe me, I am all over it. If Hot Topic is out, go ahead and check out Amazon. I've already checked for you. This one's on here, and there are multiple different variances of this jacket right there on there. You don't want to miss these deals. We know that there are so many Batman fans out here, and these two items are a game changer. This jacket is a simple buy. I say go for both of them. He would be so happy to have both of these under their tree. When I tell you the confidence that wearing this jacket gives me, I can't explain it. It is one of a kind. And I just like that. If I would have gone with a normal Batman jacket, it wouldn't have the colors in it. This blue from Nightwing, it makes this jacket. It gives it so much more to pop in, and that's why I think this specific jacket is worth it. But I want to know what you guys think. Are these great Christmas gifts for your Batman fan? Do you have Batman fans in your household? I know you do. I feel like it's physically impossible to not have a guy in your world who loves Batman or who loves to get some Batman merchandise. Guys, even if he doesn't know that it's a Nightwing jacket, this is a great alternative jacket for someone. It's just a good look. It's sleek and it's cool. So let me know what you think. Would he wear this jacket? Does he need a Batarang? I want to know. Make sure you guys are going back and checking out my other 18 videos. You don't want to miss all these items. We have such a small window now of you all being able to get these items that I don't want you to miss anything. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up for Batman. Give it a thumbs up for Nightwing. If you haven't already, make sure you guys are subscribed to this channel and hitting that bell. You don't want to miss any of my videos. They're all like this and they're all as fun. And I just want to keep sharing so much with you guys. We only have 6 more days of videos left and then we're done. So I really want to make sure that you guys are seeing everything and getting a chance to get all of these in your cart and under your tree by the holidays. But that's all I got for you guys today. So as always, show love, support the dream, and spread positivity. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Happy holidays.